Hi guys, I'm Mary and welcome back to the Botany Square channel. Today we're going to be looking at how you can take your normal deodorant and swap it for something that's a little bit more environmentally friendly. I know that I've been recently finding that it seems every couple of weeks I'm throwing out another plastic bottle, so I've been looking for ways to make that switch, and I've definitely found a way that works really well for me. So this recipe will help you make that switch, be a little bit more environmentally friendly while still moisturizing your underarms and smelling great, keeping you clean and dry. So we'll start with 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of shea butter, and around 15 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. And then you'll add around 50 to 60 drops of an essential oil of your liking, depending on how sensitive your skin is. Add a little bit less, of course, if it is sensitive. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a pot with boiling water, or boil some water in a pot, add a glass bowl on top to make a double boiler, and add in the coconut oil and the shea butter into that pot. So the boiling water is going to heat up the oils in a very gentle way, and it will create a really smooth way of melting the two oils and butters. So we'll just turn on the stove, turn on the heat onto a moderately high heat. I do 7 out of 9 here. And then you'll slowly start to see the butter starting to melt above the boiling water. It'll take around 5 minutes or so. Just keep gently stirring it as you go, and you'll see that the solid lumps will start to dissolve very slowly. And once that's done, you'll then lift off the bowl off the stove so that it starts to cool down a little bit, but gently, and add in the baking soda and mix it in. And once that's fully mixed in, you'll start adding in some of the arrowroot powder. So I don't usually add in everything at this stage because it's easier to add in the essential oils when it's not fully a paste yet. So I'll add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, and then I'll add in the essential oil that I use. So I use Palmarosa because it's a really nice combination of floral and fresh, so very good for your deodorant. And once I've done that and mixed that in again, I will then start adding in the rest of the arrowroot powder. So in total, I'll be using around 15 tablespoons, but I just added in one by one and check that the consistency is correct. So you should be ending up with something similar to this, kind of a white, a thick paste, but one that when you lift it with your spoon, it shouldn't immediately start dropping off your spoon. So something like that. And once that's done, you can just grab a small jar, a glass jar, ideally one with a lid, and pour in the deodorant mixture. Give it a smooth over, and then just leave that to sit for 24 hours out of sunlight. And after 24 hours, your deodorant will be done. Super simple. Just start using it away. So all you need to do is just grab some in your fingers, maybe mix it a little bit between your fingers, and then just apply to your underarms just like you would any moisturizer or anything you would apply by spreading. It'll spread very easily. It's soft and very smooth, and you can give it a little smell. It smells really, really good and fresh. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Bye.